surrounded on a ship of fools. Sail away across the water, set the pace, then discover every ocean, every sea. Forever and a day for you and me. Here's to the future, I'm feeling stronger. We do belong here, look to the sky. Here's to the sooner, sooner or later, the ocean and the sea. Forever and a day for you and me. Bennett living his best life. We're out on the beach today. Gaines has already said they have dug and found a dolphin, and now they're looking for shark's teeth and building sandcastles. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous your sandcastle's looking, Gaines. This is awesome. You getting in that wet sand so it'll stay better?
Yeah, but sometimes my sandcastle won't work.
It won't?
It's like there's not enough dry or wet.
You gotta get it kind of just right.
Yeah.
Emmy should have had to do it. I bet she, well, let's see what happens when she pulls this one off.
Hers doesn't work.
It's not working? Oh, almost.
Pretty good.
Almost. That looks like, yeah, it didn't get filled up all the way, maybe. You gotta fill it up and then pack it in really good and then
Can you help, Daddy?
tap on the top of it. Yeah, I'll help you in just a second. Let me put this camera up. Woo! Does that water feel good today? We checked it yesterday. If y'all follow me on Instagram, Gaines and I came down to check it, but today we didn't because we knew we were coming down here today. So it is gorgeous out here though. Feeling fine. The water is actually prettier than it was when we got here. And we decided to come to the beach today because it's the hottest day.
Daddy, what?
8 degrees hotter.
Daddy.
All right, let's see it. And now bang on it really hard at the top. Just tap on it really good. There you go. Whoa!
And
Oh, the water came up and messed you up, I think. You might need to scoot up a little bit. Here, I'll come over here and help you, okay? Brooks found a football. Nice throw, dude.
She loves Jesus in America too. Well, she's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and a boyfriend too. Yeah. Well, it's a long day living near Rosita. Well, there's a freeway running through the yard, and I'm a bad boy.
These birds are just dive bombing into these fish. Boom! That's so crazy.
Said I'm free. Yeah, I'm free falling, falling. Yeah. Said I'm free. Yeah, yeah. I'm free falling, falling. Yeah. Oh, I wanna glide down over Mulholland. I wanna ride up and aim the sky. I wanna free fall.
Whoa! This
I don't
is
need
insane!
nothing.
It's like they're getting shot out of the water.
I said I run for a while. Yeah, I'm free. Yeah. Oh, I'm free falling, falling. Yeah. Said I'm free. Oh, I'm free falling, falling. Yeah. Said I'm free falling. Now I'm free falling. Lord, I'm free falling. I am free falling. Said I'm free falling. Oh, I'm free falling. Oh, I'm free falling, yeah, I'm free falling, yeah.
It's crazy.
We had heard that the popcorn, the water kept being on the popcorn.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Madelyne. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my Jesus! We spit all over those candles and they didn't blow out.
That is the best picture ever.
What are those? Woo! Oh. Teamwork.
You had friends to help you with that.
I've got the best pictures.
Let me see.
Oh my gosh, they're perfect.
Let me see.
Tag them. There's gotta be flames going in their face.
Oh, that's terrible. There's somebody's calling me.
Oh no.
Look, these are burnt up.
Kind of like your face.
Well,
Woo!
I just got hot with all that fire on my cake.
Yeah, you did.
Ooh, look at that.
God, look how good those look.
Where did you get
Get
these?
out of my vlog.
Mm.
Where'd you get these from?
I made them this afternoon.
Oh,
Hooker.
these look better than Publix.
Hey, are we going to eat a cupcake or are we just going to lick the candles?
Wait, you gonna look them up? Hey, what kind? Oh,
Guess who?
okay. So, what kind does everybody want?
Excuse me, I gotta get a
You
cupcake.
got vanilla or chocolate to choose from?
No,
And we got red
Madelyne's are
velvet.
special.
Bennett wants a chocolate
Madelyne's are
one.
special. Hers are red velvet cake with fudge in the middle.
Her request, right?
Yeah,
Did you make it?
One more year and she'll be driving, right?
there.
That's how right there. I've never
Good
seen
Lord.
red velvet at Publix.
Just last year you were learning how to swim and now she's about to drive.
Cullen,
That's
don't
crazy.
rush things.
Who taught you that?
Busted.
We got.
Look at
What video was it that Corey taught us that in?
that. How to eat a cupcake? Where you make it like a hamburger?
Except don't pick one
It's a good one though.
that has
Chocolate in the middle.
Oh my gosh.
Bennett.
Lord have mercy. And then Green Dolly's over here. She's got Dippin' Dots.
12
Ever how many you don't?
She got birthday Dippin' Dots.
$8. Look.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Itty bits. What? Itty bits.
What is it?
Birthday cake, itty bits.
Itty bits, Dippin' Dots.
Woo!
We lied about Dippin' Dots.
It's marketing right there.
That, right?
She made
Wow.
You made Dippin' Dots?
Yeah.
They just happen to
All
have
you
it.
do is take a regular ice cream and roll it up in tiny balls.
Oh.
This looks like a spring break scene from a movie.
You bite it off.
You got Dippin' Dots, cupcakes, pizza boxes all over the table.
Hey,
This is the best ever.
grab that fancy wrap present right there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Spring break scene from a movie. Perfect. Here we go.
This is for Madelyne. As Bennett says now, Madelyne. Bennett.
Huh?
What's his name? Brooks.
Your son. Your son's Brooks.
I heard Jay the other day. Brooks got in Jay's way, and like Brooks started getting crazy, and Jay was like, "Bennett, stop!" You know, just because out of natural tendency, it was just like one of those like, God, he reminds me so much of Bennett.
You know,
They're the same thing. Boys are boys.
10 years apart. How far apart are they? 11, 9 years.
11 or 9 years.
Same personality.
Bennett's 28. How
B Dubs, yeah, B Dubs.
How's B Dub?
Welcome back to Katie on the Flip Side. I'm here with Cullen today.
Hey, what's up? I'm Cullen. Nice to meet you.
We are about to do the assumptions thing that people have been doing. I don't even know if it's a challenge or a
Like,
tag.
how did this
or
come
a-
around?
On Instagram, I posted and asked it. To be honest, I don't always like you.
The flat Earth.
Yeah.
We're on the flat Earth, not on the round Earth.
Oh, that was good.
You're like the
Thanks.
coral of my life.
Oh, thanks.
You're like the fish tank of my life.
You guys tried to have a baby after Brooks, but couldn't. Shut that F up and we can take care of the kids. It hasn't been easy the past few years, but we have worked hard on it.
Right.
I use my degree every day on my children and my husband, who's also part of my child psychology. You may have gotten divorced because of addiction if you didn't have kids. You're going to have more kids.
Huh?
Yes. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.